Foxy Brown didn't slowly rise in hip-hop. She arrived and immediately stood next to the biggest names in the industry. Not building up, not waiting for her turn. Already there. And that's where the story gets complicated. Because most artists fight for visibility. Foxy Brown started with it. Major collaborations, high-profile appearances, immediate attention. So the question isn't how she got on. The question is, how do you start at the top and still struggle to stay there? To understand Foxy Brown, you have to understand timing. Mid-90s, hip-hop is shifting. New York is still dominant, but the landscape is changing fast. And into that moment, Foxy Brown steps in fully formed. Foxy Brown! Not developing, not evolving, already positioned. And this is what most people don't realize. She wasn't introduced slowly. She was placed directly next to major artists. Which means she didn't build momentum the normal way. She inherited it. Her debut album didn't feel like a beginning. It felt like a continuation. Like she was already part of something bigger. And that worked. Commercial success, recognition, visibility. Everything looked aligned. But here's where it starts to shift. Starting high means there's less room to grow. And more pressure to maintain. Because when the expectation is already set, every move after that gets judged differently. Foxy Brown wasn't just competing with new artists. She was competing with the image created around her. The expectation, the perception, the narrative. And that's harder to control. And this is where things get messy. Because success on paper doesn't always mean stability behind the scenes. Tension builds, situations escalate, momentum becomes inconsistent, and suddenly, the same visibility that helped you starts working against you. Because the industry doesn't slow down. It moves on quickly. And if your momentum shifts, even slightly, you feel it immediately. And this is the part that most people don't like to talk about. You can be everywhere and still feel like things are slipping.
During the recording of my new album, Black Roses, I was diagnosed with sudden severe hearing loss. As time passed, an incredible anticipation of the album evolved, and suddenly I became reclusive, privately suffering with the devastating news of my hearing loss.
You can be visible and still losing control of the narrative. And once that happens, it's hard to reverse. And over time, that tension shows, not in one moment, but in patterns, in gaps, and inconsistencies. And the story changes. Because now it's about how you started.
I'm in the L coupe early when them doors lift up. Y'all can't.
It's about how things evolved and why they didn't stay the same. Foxy Brown didn't come in unnoticed. She came in positioned. But staying there is a different game. And not everyone gets to control how that story plays out.